So I think we can start. Everybody join. So again, coming back to the another very simple module about the transportation. So transportation is another very simple module here. Like if you generally analyze what are the things will be available in transportation. In the transportation, the majorly is the number of buses are playing within the particular route, and every route there is a area and there is a pickup points, and every route maybe the school to school, the route one has some different charges, route two has some different charges. It totally again depends on the school, or maybe the common fees for all whoever it's taken the transport, even if it is 1 kilometer same charges, even if it is 10 kilometers same charges. It's again totally depend on the management how they're going to decide, so that we can do it as per the requirement. Okay. उनको बोलो जरा खुद के बाद में कॉल कर देना. So now here very first thing, like master, like in the master vehicle master, we need to create the number of buses playing here. Okay, so we can create the number of buses here. So you can see that. So Mercedes, Abu Al Jubail, some number 37B is given. So the same thing 31B is given. So 32G. So likewise, you can generate the number of buses here. And also we can mention the driver name and driver mobile number, and this will be the details. How we can do it? It's simple. Clicking on the add button, so we can just enter. So mandatory here is the vehicle number, the vehicle name and the number. So vehicle number, mobile number, driver name, and driver name, driver and mobile number, and the total number of seats are available. So this will help us to allocate the buses to the student, and the helper name and the helper mobile number also. So this will be available in the reports, all the details. So this is how we have added the number of buses here. So this is one-time entry. So once after the vehicle entry is done, so boarding point. So which are the boarding points? So here we have Aral Commission. Here we have Jubail Center. So suppose if you're coming back to the Bangalore scenario, JP Nagar, Jayanagar first block, second block, we can take like similar Shivaji Nagar, like this we can take the different area name. So depending on that, we can have the master data in it. So we can generate the area here. So here also the area and the distance also we can write from distance to distance. So one-way rate, two-way rate also we can mention. So sometime the student will take only one way the parent will drop. So in that way also we can set either the way, one way or two way, the price is fixed. That also we can manage here. So again, the boarding point. So every area there will be a boarding point. So suppose in Jayanagar fourth block, we'll pick from the bus station. Okay, again coming back to Shivaji Nagar near Poles Park, there is a one pickup point. So likewise, you can set this points. So where the points are going to set, we are going to pick. So that rate also we can mention. Otherwise, if it is a common, we can generate the boarding points here. So boarding point rates also we can mention. So boarding point, one way, two way, that also we can mention. So of course, here in this scenario, whatever the location, it's a common here. So if you have a different fee structure for a different location, that also we can set here once. So once that is done, so transaction, what is the transactions here? The transaction is, so we need to allocate the student from allocate the student to the particular boarding point. So once this data is ready, so we can go to the vehicle boarding point. So vehicle boarding point. So which are the vehicle boarding points we are setting? So we are setting this the vehicle boarding points here. Select the vehicle. Select the vehicle. So this vehicle, it will show all the boarding points here. Okay, this vehicle, this particular vehicle 38G will go to this point, this point, this point. So only three boarding points will be allocated. Okay, this is how we can set this. Just click on a save and it will be done. So this particular bus will visit these three locations. Similarly, the boarding point of vehicles in the same way. So it will show again, it will show you the points here. So boarding points. Boarding points, boarding point wise, you can see all the details here. So student boarding point, yes, you can set the student boarding point. So here, this is the main transaction. So we need to allocate the student for the particular boarding point for the particular bus. So let me go to one class, LKG student. Okay, general, and select A class student. I'll just retrieve the data. Suppose for this student, see, you can see that for this student, so there is a Martco compound. So this is the bus detail, and this is the vehicle detail. So this is how we have allocated. So similarly, this student is not having the data. So we need to select this data. We need to allocate some boarding point and bus to this particular student. So now select the student here first, and then come back on the down boarding point. So select the boarding point. I will select boarding point here. Okay, the installment starts from, suppose one student is coming from the beginning, from the April itself. Okay, so some student is coming in between in the November. So today he has taken the admission, and today we need to start his transportation also. So then up to from November to March. So it's every year we have to, once it is done, it will be carry forward for the next year also. Okay. So if any changes in the route, once again, he has to visit the school and he has to request to change the route. So that can also be done. So vehicle, which vehicle? So automatic, the vehicle list is coming. So vehicle in and vehicle out. Suppose one vehicle is coming in one vehicle and going in a different vehicle. That is also possible sometime depending on that. So trip in and trip out, that also we can decide. First trip, second trip, third trip also we can decide. So once this is allocated, so you can see that particular student details is allocated. So from November to March. So this is only one transaction we have to do it here in case of allocating the student to the particular boarding point. So once that is done, finish, automatically the fee in the fee structure, this fee will be reflected when the parent come to pay the fees, when the parent want to pay the fees online. So as per this amount, it will be reflected in the parent account. So you can pay as per that. So this is how we can look at. This is only one major transaction. We are going to do it in a transportation section. Before that, we need to create the buses, bus details, and after that, we need to create the areas, boarding points, and all that. In the transaction, this is the one which is most important. Student boarding point. So attendance, yes, attendance in now, that also we can maintain here. So of course, we are not maintaining here, and also there is an option we can upgrade this module to this one, the GPRS tracking. So every bus have the GPRS tracking. So once we fix the tracking system, so that tracking also it will come here automatically. The student comes in, the attendance automatically it will capture. So for that, like, the student should have one ID card. The ID card should have one RFID. So that RFID will read, just show it to the device. Automatically, it will take the student in. So the parent can view the bus also, where all the bus is moving. So what time the bus will reach to my point, what time the child will, the bus will arrive to the pickup point or the drop point. So as per that, the parent can move from their house and they can go and pick up to the child. So the next level I'm talking about. So all that also can be done with the help in this software. That is a third-party software we need to integrate, and we can check. So we can see that, like, the whole movement of all the buses, where all is going. And if you just click on a bus, it will show you how many children are boarded, and also it will show you how many children are dropped, and it will show you currently where is the location. So this is how the best example I can give you the Ola taxis, how the taxis are moving in within the city, where is the pickup point, where it is dropping. So this is a complete tracking. It's a complete software which tracks the movement of the vehicle, where it is moving, how much time they have stayed there, and every moment we can track it with the help of the tracker. Especially the main technology what we are using, it's a SIM only. So just we need to install on SIM in the GPRS tracking system. So enable it and program it in your program, and the whole process we can view here. And the same thing, it will be given for this parent access also. They can keep on watching the movement of the child. So that will be the added advantage in case like vehicle incident entry. So any incident entries happen, so that we can enter it here. So student detail, yes, student detail, the same detail whatever we have seen in the student module. So we can see it here. So why the student detail is given here? Sometime they change the address, sometime they change the mobile number. Okay, so that time it is required. That time it is required. So once again, they should not go back to the module and change the details and then again come back here. So if we do the changes here, automatically it's reflect every. And apart from this, also we have given the ID card facility in my setup. ID card issuing of the ID card will be given into transport only. Okay, so we can generate the ID card class wise, individual also. So just wait, click one, generate, the ID card will be generated. So this design also customizable. So as per the requirement, we can do that. If you want to generate all the entire class ID card in one click, it's possible. You can generate all the ID cards in one click. You can download this and you can take the print. And based on that, again reports. So vehicle list. So number of vehicles, what do you have? List of areas, what do you have? Okay. So boarding points, which are the boarding points. So these are all the management reports to identify if any problems, if anything to be monitored, anything to be taken to take the decision. So attendance also, if you want to see the vehicle wise, attendance report vehicle wise. Okay, the student statics bus wise. So you can select the bus class wise. So these are the different reports we can do. So if any fee is outstanding from the particular student from the class, you can select general. Okay, A section. So vehicle, which way?
Nadeem bhai, I need to drop from this call.
Okay.
Ping me if anything goes wrong. I have an official call here. Thank you.
Please.
Thank you, guys. Assalamu alaikum.
So these are the things we can see here in the transportation department. It's again a very simple module. It's only 2-3 things we need to manage. So in the masters, once you create all these things in the transactions, just allocate the student to the particular boarding point and all that. So after that, the rest of the things automatically take place. So all the reports or the various reports you can generate, this will help you to track. The one I spoken about the tracking system. So once the tracking has come, so some more transactions will come here, some more reports will generate, and also you have the Google map here, integrated Google map. Just clicking on that, you will see all the movement buses within the city, and you can trace each and every bus who is traveling. So just if you click on the bus, the number of people sitting in the bus, you can view it easily. So that all these will be helpful for the parents point of view, even the management point of view, even the good management for the transport, the safe management of the transport. So most of the time happens like the child will be left out in the bus. Sometimes the child will sleep, the children will sleep in the bus. So easily we can trace out where is the child. So the safety purpose also, many cases happen in the Saudi Arabia. During the hot summer, the child is missed out, child is slept in the bus, and the end will be drastic end. Sorry, I don't want to share that end. So all that can be taken care with the help of this software. So any questions you can ask even from any other module also. If you have any questions during your exploration, so please ask me any questions, any doubts.
Nadeem bhai, Ayaz here.
Yes.
With regards to attendance sheet, so is somebody checking manually that everyone are boarding, or it's uploaded?
Right now, we are doing it manually. If you are going for the tracking system, it will capture automatic.
Okay. Okay. So even parents who are at home can trace through GPS that this bus is
Yes.
traveling this
Yes,
place.
definitely. They can
Okay,
use it.
that is one thing. But boarding from school to house,
Mhm.
that's when lot of missing thing happen. Like how you told the child is missed out or has boarded a different bus.
Different
So those
bus.
all
Yes.
technical things is done manually.
Usually, what will happen in the school scenario, especially for the small kids, for the KG
Yes.
class 1 and 2, the driver will go stand near to the class and near to the gate, and he will make a line, and he will pick all the children who is
Mhm.
boarded on the morning.
Under his bus.
Yes, and the same thing again, he will be boarded. If anything missing, immediately he will report back to the authorities there. Sometime the parents will come in between. They will take the child home due to many reasons. So that time, the school authorities has to inform the driver this child is not
Right.
there now while going back. Okay,
Okay.
and most of the time, what happen? Driver will not see that like when the morning they are coming early morning pickup 6:30 7:30. Most of the children will be in the sleeping mode. So small children will
Yeah.
sleep. Sometimes they sleep also. They will go under the seat. So sometimes even the driver will not visit. So we have given the instruction for the driver to check before he locks before he locks the vehicle. He has to take the round. He has to go around and he has to lock it. And also one of the window always he has to keep it open. So that is also a mandatory instruction for the driver. One window should always be open. So most of the cases it happens, especially in the summer. Here the summer is very hot. Okay, especially in the summer, the bus will get exhausted and the child will die. And it has happened. 2 3 cases has happened in my past 5 year experience. Yes. To maintain all this, it's better. Like sometime the parent also can notify immediately if the child is in the bus. Still, they can check the tracker. Where is the child? Whether he has reached to the school. If it is not in the bus, yes, the parent will be like they can see that the status whether the child is got down or not from the bus. And coming back again, we can have again, if you're going little advanced, even in the campus, we can have the GPRS tracing. If the student is going out of the campus, he will not be under trace. So every time the parent can trace the student whether the student is there in the school or not. So the requirement is the tracing devices should be installed in a school, and your ID card, or you should have the band in the hand or something like that, which will be matched to that device.
Okay.
Yes, there are some technologies you can use all that. Of course,
Okay.
it's a cost is very high. Most of the people will not go for that, but as per the safety concern, yes, it is required. It's a big headache for
Yes.
the management also. The
Yes.
safety of the
Yes.
children, of course, this
Yes.
is recommended.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Most of the
Jazakallah khair.
most of the time happens, the parents are standing half an hour in the boarding point or in the dropping point. So they can check, just they can come before 2 minutes, and they can stand there and immediately they can take their child.
Child home. Correct. Huh? Thanks, Nadim bhai. Understood.
So these are the many things, but many schools are operating in this whatever I'm talking about. But again, totally depends on the budget. Definitely the budget school will not go for all these things. So very hi-fi schools, they will charge for all these services separately, and they will implement for the safety of the child. But we have the options. We can do all of these things. Whatever I'm speaking, all of these things can be integrated in the system. That's my intention here to explain all this. Maybe when you go to the school, when you're talking to somebody, maybe this kind of the questions may arise. Okay, do you have this tracking system? It's very common nowadays. We have the tracking system, we need this. So we should not say it is not possible. So we have the option, yes, possible, it can be done. Right now it's not available, so it can be done. as per the requirement. We can simply say that yes, it is possible. We can do it. So once we provide the solution, they will say, okay, this much costly we don't want. They will wash their hands. Inshallah, that's my next project. Inshallah, we'll take it up. Already I'm in the process now to implement this. So once this pandemic is over, inshallah, maybe next year we'll do that. Now the camera is also coming. We can record the camera within the bus, and in the camera only we have the tracing system. So easily we can in one installation, two things will be worked out. One, inside the bus also the parent can view. Okay, and also they can trace. Again, that whether to give, not to give the access, it's up to us. Tracking, of course, it is required. So any questions from anybody, please? So we'll see the next module tomorrow. See, basically here, just for the understanding what are the things are possible, what are the things we have in the product. When the time comes, you should be able to explain. As well, if you allow me, we'll take one small exercise, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Whatever we have understood so far, I think 90% of the product we have covered. Only we have two, three options now. So as per me, only two options are left over now. Here, okay. Just we can have one small exercise. Let everybody present whatever they know. Like let them speak for 5 to 6 minutes. Whatever so far they have understood in the system and where exactly they are lagging. Not today. Maybe you can take your time. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or every day. Two people can talk. By end of this week, we'll cover everybody. So whatever you understood, suppose I am interested in the accounts, I will talk about the accounts. This is what I understand. So I am interested in the student management and the transport. I will speak about these two modules. And one is very interested in the academic module and the fee management. So they can talk about that. And or else the overall understanding as well. So what do you think, Zakwan, Ayazbhai, and the others? If you feel it, like it's good, we can do that. Let's plan for that.
Yeah, that's fine. So whoever is interested, they can talk. But how far is the understanding?
Not mandatory. So just need to
Okay.
understand. No, just need to understand from my perspective, like how much we understood. If any gap,
Correct.
definitely we can fill that gap. It's not that like, see, I'm working from past 2 years. I know much. I'm talking all these things. Okay, so just you have visited, just we have seen. See, whatever the terms we have understood in terms of explaining to others if what this product has the features. The features wise, you can talk.
Yeah, sure, Nadim bhai.
So this is just a small exercise. If everybody agrees, so we can start from tomorrow. So maybe last 10 minutes we can reserve it of every call. Okay, the two people can come forward on their own. So we'll not take, okay, Nagma, you do it, Munazza, you do it. We will not take it. We will not take the name. Okay, you come forward, you speak, so that we'll also know that like what exactly where we are. So what is our understanding so far?
Inshallah, sir, we'll inform you individually by messaging after this section, inshallah, so that all ladies are familiar with what happened today and what is going on in the meeting. Inshallah, we'll inform, sir. And another one thing is, sir, the many ladies, one issue is there. They have a problem regarding the timing section, what we are taking, just 2:30 around. Some are working women, they're not able to attend the session because they also have a work at the same time. So 4 to 5 was the comfortable time, I suppose. If you just go through and ask.
5 o'clock every day, 5 to 5:45, 5
Yeah,
Uh,
evening time is better, we feel, sir.
No problem for us. Actually, why we have kept this? This is our lunch time for Rashid Bhai. So most of the time he'll be free at this time. Okay. And one more thing, my timing is exactly by 4:30 India, I'll be free. Okay. By the time I'll reach home, it will be around 5 o'clock. Immediately, as soon as I go, I'll start. No problem.
So we can keep around 5 o'clock. It's fine here
5
for
o'clock
India
is
and all. 5 o'clock is the pleasant time and all.
Ayaz
Ladies
bhai,
will be
okay,
comfortable.
5 o'clock, okay, Ayaz bhai. Zakwan,
Yeah, we'll
Yes,
inform,
yes,
sir.
Yes, yes, I think so. It's okay.
Let ladies in just put a message individually on the group so that everybody's
absolutely no
comfortable.
problem. Absolutely no problem. We have kept it for our convenience also. Your convenience is
Correct,
also
correct.
important. You can openly discuss in the group. Okay, sir, keep it at this time. Even in the meeting also, as thank you, Nagma, for the updates. Okay, thanks for the information. So it's nothing.
Thank you, sir.
See, we are working. Let us work on a comfortable zone now. So let us meet on a comfortable time. It's not that we feel that like you people are attending. So we also thought that like you people are free and you can attend this comfortably. And also for me, it's a comfortable time. Even for the Rashid Bhai, it's a comfortable time. So that we will not drag it to the end of the day. So let us do it in the peak time, and then by 5 o'clock, you people also be free and you can spend your time with your families. That's the idea. We just revise this timing in the morning. Still, if you're facing problem, no problem. So we thought like you will also get time, much time as soon as 5 o'clock, all the children will be back from the school. So you can be busy with the children. That's the idea.
Another thing, sir, after one module you explain all, you
Mhm.
just give some time for the ladies so
Mhm.
that they can go through any doubt they can ask you also,
Yes,
and
yes.
they be ready individually.
Absolutely no problem. We are going, you can take your own time and you can just refer all the modules. Possibly, I'll share all the videos also. Just go through. Zakwan, any feedback from your side?
Nagma ma'am is right, I guess. As
No,
she
you
said, yeah, even everyone wants time to understand.
Mhm.
For you, as you said, you have experience, you are explaining, but our kind of understanding capacity is less. So, right, we can take time, and again, we can have a section with a recorded section, one by one module, so that we can have that and replay all the time we need. It's good actually. And timing, as she said, we can, me and Ayaz Chacha have no issues. If other ladies have issues, they can share. Really appreciated, ma'am. You said some issues so that we'll
No, we
understand the
want to
major
know
problem
actually.
they are
We want to
having.
know.
Thank you, Zirfan. It's not
Yeah.
from only my side. It is from all my sisters' side.
Okay.
Just they needed a starting
Yeah.
support. Inshallah, next my sisters will open their mouth and say their problem forward. I accept.
See, nothing from the
Inshallah,
day
inshallah.
one. We are telling it's an extended family. We are all our family members. So whatever we will discuss here, and we will do it as per the convenience. There is no hard rule. You have to be attend on this time only. Of course, no problem. We
This
can
is
do
what
it.
Rashid Chacho and Nadeem Uncle wanted.
Yes, we can do it.
Yeah, ladies
Absolutely
to
no problem.
speak up and give their problems. Yeah, yeah.
So when we speak, when we come out, then only the solutions will come. So if you are keep quiet, if you are doing it, we feel that okay, it's going on. Let us go on. We will not disturb.
Yeah, everything's going on well.
Yes, please speak out. Put a message. Not possible, sir. This is a comfortable time in the group, so we'll do it. No problem. So my understanding, my Rashid Bhai understanding is this. Okay, we thought that before the children come, so we can end it up. So this is lunchtime also for some people. Okay, so maybe having the lunch during the meeting also possible. It can be done. So this is what we are thinking. Immediately we are starting after Zohar Salah. No problem. So we will change the time from tomorrow. So we'll meet at 5 o'clock, inshallah. Absolutely no problem. So can we take up this small exercise from tomorrow onwards? If everybody okay, if you're okay, just write in a chat box. Okay, we'll do it. As we
Tomorrow, one day gap you give, sir.
no problem.
Inshallah.
I'm not
This
telling
what today
tomorrow or
session we
day
have
after
taken
tomorrow.
library transport, we'll go through and then we'll discuss. Again, we'll continue, sir.
Okay.
Sure, Nadeem bhai.
We can start with transportation and library management as it is easy. So we can start with that actually, so that everyone understood and it's fresh topic, fresh module, they can explain.
Yes. Any module as per your convenience, as per your understanding. Overall, also, if you want to talk, okay, this is what I understood from the system. So if there is any correction, so we will correct it ourselves and we'll revisit that. No issues.
Ji.
So inshallah, I'll be there in the next month. We'll meet inshallah. Possible, I'll visit Bangalore. We'll meet whoever it is.
Zarur
possible.
ji, inshallah.
Inshallah. So anything else we need to talk, or we'll round up the call.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind guidance guidance you have given for us today. Since Rashid sir is not there, so I just thought of thanking you, giving a vote of thank for you.
Okay, thank you.
Really, it was a pleasant session today. We have learned a lot, though it was a short session. It was very important to our kids' life. So we have come to know as a parent also, as a employee also. Inshallah, we'll go through and inform you later what we need, and we'll try our best to coordinate with you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ayaz bhai. Thank you, Zukwan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.